we're doing over 7 knots and in 7 feet under our keel. So we're in about 12 feet of water and we are flying, sometimes hitting 8 knots. This has been a great sail today. All day long we've been under sail power, not using any fossil fuels. For all you tree huggers there, I'm doing my part. We are heading to Nassau.
He's in his happy place.
We are heading to Nassau. Actually, we're making too good a time, and I don't want to be anchoring in the middle of the night around Nassau. I know the area, but it can get tricky unless I'm anchoring in the harbor or Clifton Bay, I think it's called, Hun?
Yeah.
But we're heading for the tongue of the ocean. That's where the depths go to 15,000 feet. Who knows what's under there?
Creatures from beyond that want to swallow us up.
Look, guys. Breakfast. It's magic. I just turned away. I turned away and it just showed up here. I don't know. I don't know if it happens to you guys or not, but it happens to me. Life on a magic boat. Listen, guys, we've been out for a couple of days and we're at Chub Key right now. But, you know, this is rule number 1. Never go into places at nighttime. And I'm telling you right now, we almost wiped out a post. There was a marker, an unlit marker, not on the chart as we were coming into this anchorage. We almost squared it. Eh?
Yeah, well, it was a big metal piling is what it was. And it had a white construction hat, like those plastic construction hats, sitting on top of it. No light, no nothing.
So Sandy was on watch because it's really dark out and you can't see. Now I'm driving the boat using the chart plotter and I'm heading right between the red and the green, and I am in the middle. My chart and track are in the middle. And this goddamn post shows up out of nowhere, and all I hear is Sandy say, "Go to port, go to port."
Starboard. And I screamed. I hurt my throat. I screamed so hard.
When she said that, I saw the post, and we would have nailed it dead center. We would have fucking hit that thing. And that is why you don't do these at night. Like you're safer to be out in the ocean.
Yeah.
At night, and we
and
anyways, we almost sunk the Navicula. Well, we probably wouldn't have sunk it, but I'm just saying we would have caused damage.
Oh, big damage, yeah.
It's really rough out here today, guys. It's weather. We are into a storm right now. It's gonna be like this all night, but the winds have picked up to 21. Apparent. Listen, I put in 2 reefs in the main, brought my jib in for now. Once we get out into the tongue of the ocean, I will let some jib out. Right now I just want to get through this channel, which is pretty shoaly. I'm in 12 feet of water, 13 feet of water right now. And it's pretty lumpy. Beautiful Sandy is helping me along here. She's waves are hitting me on the beam here on the starboard side. A little bit of an uncomfortable ride, but nothing that we haven't seen before. At least you can see over these waves, eh, hun?
Yeah.
Sandy takes Gravol. Sandy takes Gravol for seasickness. What else do you take, dear?
Well, that's it, Gravol.
And what do you take because you're married to me?
Alcohol.